We're gonna do this one for you too.
I need some info first, if that's all right.
Yeah, we didn't know the deal.
Okay. It's just professional. Sorry. All right. Go ahead, man. Tell me whatever you want about your build.
Well, first off, man, it's all Crossfire build. 6 Crossfire XT3 15s in the 4th order, designed by Hunter Martin. Shout out to Hunter Martin. Built by King K Custom Hurricane Electronics right here in Summerville. Shout out to my boy Royce too. He made everything look pretty. You know what I'm saying? Paul built the box, man. Excellent job, man. I want to say, well, I got 2 16Ks, wired at half. Everything's turned down. We breaking them in right now at this show. Got an 800.4 on the doors, 2 10s, 2 8s in each doors, and 500.2 on the tweeters. I want to say the box is tuned at like 45, 46-ish. So it plays pretty good.
Okay. Solid up here?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, and I got CES Batteries.
CES, okay.
Yeah, CES Batteries.
Have you metered it yet?
Not yet.
They're gonna break in first, retune, and then test.
Literally, this is probably the most I ever played it at this show.
Really? Okay.
Because we haven't really got a chance to play it. They keep calling the cops on us.
Yes, sir. Hey, when you're this loud, yep, I understand.
So, what else? Oh, 2 Singer Alternator. Shout out to Singer, Mike Singer. 2 270s under the hood. I think that's about it.
Yes, sir. You nailed everything.
Oh, shout out to Slam Panda 2 on the bass knob.
Slam Panda.
You know, hood props and stuff, you know.
Yes, sir. All right. Demo time. Is it windows down? Demo
Yeah, you know, man. Perfect. Hair trick.
Hair trick. is awesome. Hey, I appreciate it, man. What was your name?
G. On Instagram is Two Door King.
Two Door King.
Yeah, Two Door King.
Yep, Two Door King.
Name of the truck is Goliath.
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 All right, so Goliath will be the thumbnail. Got it. Thank you. Made me sneeze at the end. That's when you know you're a good demo, when you make someone sneeze.
Hey, that's
Woo!
it.
Man, dude, that's impressive, man.
Big upgrade from the last
Dude,
time.
because I remember before you had four Crossfire subs and a no wall.
The XS V2.
Yes.
That's them right there, King K.
Good job, dude. This is great.
Yeah.
This is awesome, man. Wow.
That's right, man.
Thanks
Be
for
on the
the-
lookout for us. Team
thanks for
Silver
the demo.
coming out, baby.
Yes, sir. Is the back open?
Yeah, the back
I
open.
go check it out.
Perfect.
It looks clean, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.